So, topics to be discussed in this presentation: the glory of Swara, recognition of flow of Swara, the concept of nadis, their movements and their directions, the concept of Pancha Tattva, chakras, pranvayus or pran sadhana, explanation of its practice, the concept of health and disease, and indication of death. On the basis of your swara, you can infer the death of a person. Person can infer his own death. And therapeutical application of swara and swara sadhana. So, Sarvodaya Vigyan is a science of respiration. Mind and respiration has very close relationship. Chale bate chalam chittam nichale nichalam bhavet. Still respiration leads to stillness of mind and also vice versa. Chale bate chalam chittam or nichale nichalam bhavet. It becomes steady. Controlling pran is like controlling the wild elephant. This is to be kept in mind. So, what controlling mind is like controlling very subtle and almost abstract object. It is always easy to control pran in comparison to control the mind, which has been declared in Gita to be very active. आगे चलिए. Shiv Sarvodaya declares, this science of Swara is secret of all secrets, reveals the secret of all benefits. This science is it is a kind of gem, and of all the knowledge. That is what is mentioned this is the reference where it is mentioned. It is a science of respirations, movement of breath through nostrils. When one reads this book, then one realizes how powerful and useful this science is. We may be aware about the physician of Devas known as Ashwini Kumaras. In Vedic literature we find this Ashwini Kumaras. What is this Ashwini Kumar? This is nothing but this is pran and apan, nothing else. The Ashwini Kumaras are considered to be the physician, in Vedic literature. This is nothing but it is apan and pran. Literally means that which is like a horse. Ashwini, Ashwa stands for the horse. They are said to be internally young, ever free from diseases and decay or death. In fact, they provide remedy for these sufferings and they are destroyer. He considered to be the destroyer. Please. Ashwini Kumara, they are the movement of breath which is going on in our body without a pause for a single moment. When they have the body is dead. When they leave the body is dead. If these Ashwini Kumaras are in our body, then the Devas also must be in our body, as he is the physician of gods. Now, Yajurveda and Upanishads declare that Manas and the sensory organs are the god in the body. Now, who is the gods? Who is the gods? That is what it says. Manas and sensory organs are said to be the gods in the body. So the whole body is said to be the क्या बोलते हैं उसको आप? Yes. And the relation between Ashwini Kumara and ये छ पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको CH छह बार also establishes the same fact. The body as it grows older, what it desires to remain always young. And a story is also famous that body of this Shaban was made young by this position of Ashwini Kumaras. The story clearly indicates that by working on the movement of breathing, that is Ashwini Kumar, breathing, the movement of breathing. So Ashwini, one can enjoy life to its full length and duration and acquire worldly and spiritual happiness. That is what is the beauty. So now how to work on this. First you have to check which nostril is working. Which one is working, dominating? Can you? Right one? It is left. मच्छर है क्या? मच्छर है ना? आपका कौन सा चल रहा है जनरल साहब? कर्नल साहब है? Right. So just with a view to wherever you are, you can check. Close one nostril, say right, and inhale and exhale through the left, then 3 times. Then close the left and then inhale, exhale through the right. You will be able to understand which one is dominating. Now judge for yourself through which particular nostril the flow of air is more free. You have to check it. No one can check this other, huh? You have to check it. The passage of nostril giving least obstruction in the flow of air, it should be regarded as closed and other is open. The open nostril should be considered as dominant one, whichever is open. Now, Colonel Saab's this nostril, right nostril is opened and left is considered to be closed. So, if the flow from both the nostrils is equal or free, it should be considered as middle nadi is dominating. Both the nostrils, if they are flowing together, then the middle nadi is working. Now, the period of every course. The duration of the flow of breath through either or of the nostril is 2.5 ghatika, dhai ghatika, and that is equal to 1 hour, because 1 ghatika stands equal to 24 minutes. Now you can count. So dhai ghatika is 1 hour. Is it correct calculation? Yes. So after an hour, the course changes automatically to the other nostril. 1 hour. Generally, if you are healthy, it changes after 1 hour automatically. You may not be aware of it, but if you keep yourself under observation, you can observe that it changes automatically after 1 hour. Then recognition through movement also you can. Middle of the nostril. Suppose this flow is what I was doing in the beginning, I was keeping a mirror in front of me. I was practicing when I was practicing. So if it is what happened, middle of the nostril, you have to understand, you can observe it. If it is from the middle of the nostril, it may be lower part of the nostril, it may be upper part of the nostril, it depends. So see, the middle of the nostril, it means the earth element is dominating at this moment. If lower part of the nostril, the water is dominating. Upper part, fire is dominating. The angular, if this moving kind of movement is there, it is air, and this is the ether. It is ether. It is गोल. क्या बोलते हैं? चक्रवात. Whirlpool will be proper. Whirlpool will be proper. Eddies बोले तो whirlpool.
But whirlpool in water, but in air also like.
Yes, that is chakra. We call it Vat chakra. Chakravat, not Vat chakra, Chakravat.
Air is cyclone.
Kerala it is cyclone.
In Kerala it's cyclone.
Okay, further.
But how is the movement beginning? You start.
This is a matter of practice. You cannot ask me anything here. Now take a clean mirror and then breathe on it. Breath will produce a particular shape on the mirror. Suppose if its shape is like square. Now today morning we have discussed this. If it is square, it means earth element. If the shape is, it is a water. If the shape is like triangular, it is fire. And then spiral, then air. Then the shape is like dots. Suppose only the one dot, it is ether. It is very simple and everyone can practice. Just it is a matter of practice. So you have to, my dear friend, you have to be careful. You have to practice it. I am going to give you this what you call the presentation, soft copy. I do not have printer. Pardon? नहीं ये अभी दे देंगे आपको. मेल क्यों कर देना है? मेल तो जो मेल करेंगे दूसरे आर्टिकल करेंगे. प्रेजेंटेशन अभी दे देंगे आपको. Is it okay for you? Then go ahead. Okay. Recognition through the length of the outgoing breath. You have to, this length also you can measure the length. How? If it goes 12 fingers, it means the earth is dominating. 8 fingers, it is air is dominating. 4 fingers fire, 16 fingers water and 20 fingers ether. 16 fingers, 20 fingers ether. So you have to check it. आगे. Now it can be understood on the basis of the taste. आपकी जिह्वा में क्या टेस्ट है इस समय? This is very, very important. So you need a calmness and quietness of the mind with a view to observe all these things. So whatever the method you are opting, you should keep your mind calm and quiet. Then only you will be able to observe it. Therefore in the beginning we do prarthana. Why we are doing this prayer in the beginning? Why we are doing prayer in the beginning? Calm the mind. The second and other thing is, one should understand that now you think that you are present in this room. Not only you, the divine forces are also present in this room. If you develop a harmony with the divine forces which are present here, then only whatever you are going to do will be successful. Then only it will be understandable to us. So, with a view to develop a harmony between us and the divine forces. What is this universe? The universe is nothing. These are the divine forces which are working, and therefore sun rises in a particular time, it sets in a particular time. There's the ritus, the season is also changing, everything. So this is because of the divine forces or the natural forces. So we have to develop a harmony. When we say Vadrang Karnevi Shunyam Devaha Swastina Indro Vridhashravaha Dhyambagam Jajamahe, there is a purpose behind it. Now on the basis of the taste, you have to understand, and it can be done easily if you keep yourself under observation. Suppose it is a sweet taste in your tongue. Without sweet, if sweet taste comes, that's why it happens. When you start observing yourself, when you keep yourself under observation, you feel such type, and therefore you should have this kind of background so that you will be able to. Suppose there is a sweet taste, you should understand that the earth element is dominating at this moment. So alkaline, it is water, it is a kind of lubrication type of, it is fire. If it is khatta, Khatta, you know? So it is air. And whenever there is a taste of kadwahat, you know, kadwapana, it is only because of the ether.
It also affects our intellectual position.
Of course, because that's what we are going to discuss that also. Okay, so recognition through color. Now here in the morning, which is the color of the Prithvi? Yellow color. See the similarity. So yellow is earth, white is water, red is fire, dark light. Yesterday we were stuck, you know. Yesterday we were stuck. This is what dark light, cloud or smoke. This is air. And multicolored, it is ether. This comes in your vision. Whenever you sit and you become thoughtless in the beginning, you have to, and then something appears automatically. Sometime it may be sound, sometime it may be light, sometime it may be taste, sometime it, that is what we have to. It does not mean that you have to by heart and no. Meditation on elements. Earth element located at the root chakra of the pelvic plexus. Now here the difference. Wherein Geranda says it is in the heart level. Charan Das also says at the heart level. But here you find the difference. Located at the root chakra, this represents the element earth and it is meditated here. Yesterday we were talking, this is the beauty of this text. Almost all other texts they say, Agya Chakra is the place where we have to meditate. Actually speaking, this is correct. But he says, this represents the element earth and it is meditated here only. Where? At the Mooladhara, root chakra. Its color is yellow and square in shape. It stimulates the sense of smell. Gandhavati Prithvi. Have you heard this? Prithvi is always Gandhavati. Suppose now at this moment there is a too hot, you know, outside. If there is a rain immediately and if you go outside, you will get a different kind of smell, you know. You don't call it smell, it is a kind of fragrance. It's a fragrance. With the nose as its organ of knowledge and anus as the organ of action. It is very interesting. Nose as its organ of knowledge. From where you are getting this fragrance? Improper functioning of this element or chakra result into disease like jaundice. You know what happened? How does this पीलिया कैसे होता है हमको? Pília means jaundice, and give rise to the fear and other weaknesses of mind. Whenever there is a fear, it is only because of the base chakra, because of the earth element. डर लगता है ना, पृथ्वी कांप गई थी, कांपे तो डर लगता है. तो that is what is the base chakra. All abnormalities arising out of the disturbance in this element are caused by the or cured by the meditation on this element. You have to. So this is what is the purpose of understanding this all. Some of us people were discussing. I thought it is better to discuss this also with you. So is it useful for you?
Yes, very much.
Please go ahead. Now, how to proceed with meditation on the element of earth? कैसे जाना कैसा? How to meditate now? This is a procedure. The best time for meditation on the plexus is last quarter of the night. And therefore, I used to get up at 3. And I would request you, go to bed 9 to 9:30 to 10 and then get up at 3 without alarm. No, don't keep their alarm. Just you instruct yourself, your pillow while going to the bed. Really speaking, just tell to your pillow. I would like to give you one experimental this aspect which every one of us can experiment. Suppose you have to go for some important work and which is imperative on your part. Imperative, it is indispensable that unless you go, something will be wrong. अत्यावश्यक जिसको बोलते हैं, it is अत्यावश्यक है आपके लिए. Are you interested to? Okay. Because either because of the heat or because of something is wrong. So vibration is not good. This is a workshop, dear friends. You have to react. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Where is Tyagi ji Maharaj? Tyagi ji is sleeping now. Now, while going to the bed, you know that you have to catch a train or flight or whatever it may be. Catch a train at 5. At least you have to get up 3:30, something like that. So what you do now, it is very much essential. So what happens to you in the whole night? Now you go to sleep, you try to sleep early because you know you have to get up early. You go to the bed. You go to the bed at 9:30. So there is a half an hour. After half an hour, you will get up. You will see the watch. Oh, it is only 10:30, 11 now. Again you go to sleep. Again at 12 o'clock or 12:30, again you get up. Again you see the watch and you go to sleep. Thereafter, you are in a deep sleep for some time. But again you will get up. Oh, now it is 3 o'clock. थोड़ा और सो लेता हूँ. And as you go to sleep at 3, because you have to get up at 3:30, so then there will be a dream. You are trying to catch the train but you are unable to catch the train. Now, why? What is the reason behind? Friends, only one instruction seriously given to the mind, and mind works like a watchman in the whole night and never allow you to sleep properly. So it is a matter of training the mind. So if you train it systematically, it will become your slave wherever you want to use. And like this friend, my mind, if it becomes a friend, it can do wonders. It can do wonders. Because man eva manushyanam karanam bandha moksho. Mind can liberate, mind can bind. So please, so systematically, do not depend upon anything. If you want to what you call experiment it, you let me know when you want to get up. Before 5 minutes, I will wake you up. Before 5 minutes, without fail. It is a matter of training. Just give instruction to yourself or to your pillow. See, I have to go to morning, I have to get up this o'clock. And you will get, without any alarm, without anything. Can you do it? Yes. Yes.
Sometimes what I do, I ignore it. Then I go to sleep.
It happens. It happens. ओके. हाँ जी, कुछ बोला आपने? क्या बोला आपने? कुछ बोला तो था कुछ. क्या बोला था इन्होंने?
It only happens.
It happens.
Only.
हाँ?
ऐसे ही होता है.
Okay, okay. Okay. So first you have to, so last quarter of the night is considered to be the best time for meditation. Sit on a clean asana in some solitary place where there is no noise. Hanji?
How do you consider the father?
Haji?
How do you consider the father? Same thing, 100.
3 hours. कितना हो गया? 8 3 24. There are, we call it yam. Yam is of 3 hours. And there are 8 yamas in 24 hours. So night is considered to be 4 yam. And day is also considered to, so last quarter you have to calculate now. But I would suggest you make a resolution, pass a resolution that today onwards, tomorrow onwards I am going to get up at 3. Okay? And if you instruct me, I will wake you up 5 minutes before to 3. Okay? If you are residing in our building. Okay, so that's good. So sit on clean asana in some solitary place. And this is solitary place you need in the beginning. Thereafter, in भीड़ में भी बैठ जाओगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But in the beginning, you have to. Then both the legs turned backward. Backward, it may be Vajrasana. I would say you sit in any comfortable posture. If you are able to do Padmasana or Siddhasana, it will be too good. Place the hands on the knees with palms upward. So therefore we are making this mudra. He is calling it Chin mudra, we call it Chin and Gyan, there is no, nothing is different. It is a Gyan mudra or Chin mudra. Then meditate on the earth with lump seed. Yesterday or in the morning today, you taken this chart given to the people? Please give it to the people. Morning chart you should get from this. It is copied on this computer, on this laptop. So square is the shape and yellow is the color. This is what you have to concentrate, visualize. Effect. Nose will be filled with sweet smell. Number 1. Number 2. Body will shine like a gold. If you are able to do this. So what is, see, it is, body will shine like a gold, and if there is a problem, it is a jaundice, that is also like a gold. Pilia इसे तो, and one who is suffering from this jaundice, everything for him is yellow, isn't it? So it depends. So next. Now, how to proceed or with meditation on the element of water? It is at the Swadhisthana level. Now, the best time, the same. The sitting is same. There is no difference at all. Now, meditate on the water with worm seed. And the shape, if it is a half chandra. Half chandra, half moon. Yes, it is something like this. So, color is white. He said, Shankhendu Dhavalam. He says, who? Giranda says. Now, brightness like moon. Effect is power of enduring thirst and hunger. You will be able to develop a control over thirst and hunger. Bestows capacity to move in water. You will be able to move. In the childhood, when there was a one Mauni Baba, and he was having the small radio, small radio. So I was very small. So the question in my mind is that how this, who is singing in this instrument? That was the question in the childhood. How this, who is singing here? Who is singing behind me? That was. So I was totally engrossed with this finding, and this Moni Baba who was sitting in Padmasana on the surface of the water. But Durbhagya, unfortunately, I couldn't get anything from this Moni Baba. But I was having his, satsanga. I was moving sometime with him. Sometime whenever he never talks with anybody. He just pencil and pen. वो कॉपी, वो स्लेट रखे थे, वो स्लेट और स्लेटी होती है ना, वो स्लेटी होती थी, उसके ऊपर लिखते थे, मिटाते थे, लिखते थे, मिटाते थे. He was Moni Baba. So gives control over the taste. Please go ahead. No, it is. Yes?
This control over the taste
Means what?
means he doesn't, he's not attracted by that, or
Yes.
the tongue doesn't.
The tongue is under your control. That is what is the meaning. Please. There is my master knows that herbal, if you keep that herbal in your mouth, whether it is if you take sugar, and there will be no taste of the sugar. There is a herbal, and I have experimented it. क्या होता है, क्या बोलते? Stevia. I don't know the name, but long back he gave me. Just you keep this and देखो तुझे चीनी का स्वाद लगता है क्या? तो मैंने कहा नहीं लगता है, चीनी इफेक्ट रहता है उसका. Okay, so can be. So the again Manipur chakra. Are you interested? So the anger and swelling in the body arise due to the abnormality of this element. What is this element? Haji? Please say, what is this? Fire. Tyagi Sahab? Okay. So bus time is same and baki sitting posture is same. Meditate on fire with the rum seed, triangular in shape and red in color, as fire and brightness like moon. Extraordinary power of digestion you will develop. Bestows power of enduring the sun and the fire. Bestows control over the fire element. That is what Geranda was also talking. Next.
सर ये सीड का क्या यूज है? मुझे एक आना वर्ड सीड.
ये बीज मंत्र है.
तो बोलना है क्या?
और क्या? और क्या?
रिपीट करते जाना है.
बिल्कुल शुरू में तो जोर से करना पड़ेगा और बाद में फिर आप सब उसका ध्यान करेंगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है ना. राम राम नहीं, राम नहीं. अच्छा, this element of air, if it is disturbed, then what happens to you? Diseases like asthma arise due to the abnormality of this element. Time is same, sitting is same. Meditate on the fire with yam seed, hexagonal, that is what is Chatcone type, and circular in shape and smoke in color. This is what is the extraordinary control over sense of touch. Touch, you know? Yes, sir. ये क्या ऑन रह गया क्या? तेजोमायानंद जी, Just a minute, I forgot to, just a minute. I'm sorry. Now so extraordinary control over the sense of touch as well as bestows power on moving in the sky like a world. It is what in Gerinda also says that. Yes. Pardon?
Fire was earlier
Air. It is air.
one. Earlier one was fire.
Earlier one is fire.
This is air.
This is air. And it is the Anahat Chakra. At the Anahat Chakra. Can we go ahead? Okay. So extraordinary knowledge. Rest everything is, you know this. Extraordinary knowledge over past, present and future. Bestows wealth, supernatural, 8 powers. Anima, Mahima, Lagima. You know this 8 siddhis? These 8 powers. This will give you. Okay, again. Now it is located in Vishuddha Chakra. This is the ether. Yes, हो गया. आगे बढ़िए. Now the concept of Panch Tattva, Chakras and Pranavayu in Shiv Sarode. Now again the same with a view to understand it. Earth where it is? Earth according to this Mooladhara. Water is at Swadhisthana, fire is at Manipur, air is at Anahata and ether is at the Vishuddha level. Okay? Now if the earth is disturbed, what kind of problems will be there? It is mentioned in the text. If water is disturbed, so that is the delusion. Fire is indigestion, air it is asthma, etc. And Vishuddha, nothing is said. But at the Vishuddha level, you can say all these problems, the thyroid problem, this problem, that problem related to this, it is only because of the abnormality of the Vishuddhi Chakra. Now, earth, again we have already discussed, middle of the nostril, from where this, when the air is coming from the middle of the nostril, if you throw it on the mirror, it will make a square shape, and on the basis of that you have to understand that the body at this moment, the earth element is dominating. Again it is water, lower part of the nostril, lower part. Then upper part of the nostril, angular, as well as water from the nostril. It is a kind of Chakravat. So the shape, take the clean mirror, your hand, breathe on it and will produce a shape, square, this, that we have already discussed. Please go ahead. Now place every element has its own place in the particular center, chakra. By concentration of mind on these chakras, one can know which of the element is dominant by its influence of the body. So now, here, color. Close the holes of the ears, eyes, as we are doing in Brahmari, with the help of 2 thumb, vagara. So if it is a yellow, you have to understand. And while closing this, if you stay without producing any sound, stay for a time, then automatically some type of, either it is a yellow, either it is a red, either it is white, something may appear. So that is what is a matter of practice. And green or dark light cloud like here. Sometime it may be green, multicolored ether. The techniques stated above is popularly known as Shanmukhi Mudra. This is when we are closing this. In Hatha Yogic literature, it is called Shanmukhi Mudra. Please go ahead. Now, Pran Sadhana, application of Pran and various practices. Go through. Now, for making other people listen to your command, if you want to, that is a kind of Vashitva. You have a control over others. This can be done. How? Check the dominance of the nostril. Then, while going to meet such person, take the first step from the leg, the same side. If the left is moving, left leg should come out. If right is right is dominating, right leg should come out, foot should come out. Element of earth or fire, mixture should be present. At that point, before leaving, you should understand that earth and fire both are working together. Mixture. And then, what will be the result? Even if the person is opponent, he will act according to your will. This method can be applied for seeking employment, putting a case before a court of law. So I was about to suggest something to Ranaji when he was going to Delhi, but he didn't listen to me. He didn't get time to talk with me. Otherwise, I would have suggested him something. Okay. So now this is what is a kind of experiment. Okay. So best time for conception is between 4th day and 16th day of the menses. Nearer to the 16th day is preferable. The first 3 nights of the menses, 8th, 11th, 30th and 40th, lunar day as well as the new and full moon day are regarded as inauspicious. They are not good. Inauspicious. For conception, blending of right time, right breath and right element is very, very necessary. And it is not a hard thing. Once you understand, once you practice it, you will be able to do it. Easily you can do it. There's no... So, now it depends. Male, female, if you want a male child, your right breath should be working at the point. When female, left breath should work. Then only you have to indulge in that act. Earth element or both earth and water element should be dominating. Please go ahead. Now, see nights for the conception of male child and its effects. 4th, after the menses. What kind of child will be that? It is also mentioned. Below average life and poverty will be there. If it is the 6th day, average life. If it is 10th day, child will be shrewd, If this is 12th day, all round goodness. 14th, good qualities and power. 16th, good qualities, wealth, power, everything. This is what is the indication given in this book. Go ahead. For female child. 5th, growth in youth and what you call the children. 7th is no full growth. Sometimes you find the child is not grown properly. It is only because of the mistake of the parents. It is not the mistake of the child. So 9th is the growth in the wealth and power. 11th is, so it is also because of the mistake of the parents. Now 30th, it is a destruction of the family, and you might have observed there are so many. Now 15th, good wife of a long-lived husband, enjoying fortunes of a queen like. This is what a barren woman can also beget a child if during her sushumna or right nostril is active, as well as the fire element is dominating. If these are the conditions, this book suggests that the barren lady can also beget a child. Please go ahead. आगे बढ़ जाइए. Now, adverse fortune can be turned favorable. See, should get up at least half an hour earlier than sunrise. आजकल तो
सनसेट से पहले मून स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
नहीं, सनसेट से पहले उठ जाते हैं. Then first of all, should check the dominance of your nostril and rub the same side for the same with the same hand. Now you have to first, as you get up, sit down on your bed for a while. Just check the nostril, which nostril is working. If it is right nostril, so you have to, with the right hand, you have to rub the right side. If it is left, left side. Okay. So, at the time of leaving the bed, should put the same leg on of which the nostril is dominant. Suppose if you are sleeping on the ground, then there is no question. But if you are sitting on the bed, suppose the right, so then right, and we used to recite certain mantras also. Karagre vaste Lakshmi, kar madhye cha Saraswati, kar mule tido brahma, pravate kar darsa. फिर समुद्र बसने देवी पर्वस्तन मंडले विष्णु पत्नी नमस्तुभ्यम पाद स्पर्श क्षमास्मे. Because those who are proper doing this, they know. So he who follows this simple rule will never be a victim of misfortune and will always attain happiness in life. Dear friends, now there is a question that if by doing this can we overcome the sukritai and dushkritai karma, can be avoided? No, you cannot. You will have strength to face that whatever is in front. That kind of attitude will be developed. Otherwise, it is a bit difficult to accept. You accept and you have a strength now to withstand. Isn't it? Please go ahead. Now, what to do during the left nostril is dominance. Whenever your left nostril is dominating, what you have to do? All peaceful religious ceremony, practice of yoga, wearing of jewels, new clothes, offering of gifts, charity, entering into the ashrama, building of a house, digging of a well, meeting a friend, drinking of water. When your left nostril is working, all this is to be kept in mind. Swamiji, I am going to give you the copy of this presentation. And recently we have published this Shiv Sarode. There are so many other things also. So if you order this book, you can get it online. When your right nostril is dominating, then what kind of jobs you have to do? Practice of music. Right nostril working, practice of music. Riding, horse riding or motorcycle riding or whatever the riding. Physical exercise, ascending a mountain or horse. So boarding a ship or boat. Then enjoyment of sensory objects. If you are interested to enjoy, even though in Shiv Samhita, I forget the reference, but it is 5th chapter, maybe 72 number verse, wherein it is said, Anile ark praveshe cha bhoktavyam. When your right nostril is working, anil means air, is flowing through the right nostril, at that point of time you should eat. And if you eat during that period, there will be no problem related to the digestion. Anile ark praveshe, ark stands for the sun. Ark manje sun. Now, enjoyment of sense objects, shooting, bathing, taking food, okay, this is right nostril. What to do during Sushumna is dominating, meditation and concentration on God. Uttering a curse or granting a boon. Sada Sukhi Bhava. आगे किसी को खराब नहीं बोलना, अच्छा ही बोलना. शुभ शुभ. Change in the breath cycle for good result. If left course of breath continues for 4 Gatika, some unexpected gain would come. This is what is a matter of observation. If 8 Gatika, happiness would be the result. If 14 Gatika, love and friendliness may be expected. You may fall in love with someone. Does not matter. If continues for a whole day and night, attainment of wealth and power is assured. If the breath from both the nostrils continues for an hour and a half, this happens consequently, second day also, worldly fame and happiness are indicated. What is going to happen? How this astrologer people were forecasting many things only on the basis of their own this experience. If breath continues left in the day and right in the night, a long life of 120 years is indicated. If the left breath continues for 4, 8, 12 or 20 days, a long life and prosperity is indicated. Now let us see. Change in breath cycle for bad results. Continuity of left for 10 Gatika brings pain in the body. Continuity of left breath for 12 Gatika indicates yes. For 1 to 3 days means attack of illness. Continuity of right breath, it is breath. It is not something is wrong here. It is my mistake. So 4 Gatika indicates some loss. Right breath for whole day and night, whole day and night indicates the shortening of life and consequently death within 3 years. And therefore Kal Gyan ho jata tha. It is only the way by which people were understanding that I am going to die on this day or that day. So right breath on 2 whole day night indicates the shortening of life and consequently right breath for 3 whole day and night indicates shortening of life and consequently death within 1 year. These signs not appear equally to indicate the consequences. It can also be that when we close our eyes and press them at corners, the star appears before our vision. When this star ceases to appear, the death of the person will occur within 10 days. It can be experimented. Okay. आगे. Now, fever अगर है आपको तो first see the course of breath. Keep that nostril closed. Suppose you are suffering from headache and your right nostril is going on. You have to close the right, you have to open the left. With a view to open the left, in olden days people were using the yoga danda. Yoga danda, you know, something like that for the japa. So this dand is also used by, and unless if you want to open the left, then you have to keep it in the armpit and pressurize it. You will be able to change the flow of breath. When putting headache, first change the course of breath, then lie on your back, stretch your hand downwards to their full length, then ask somebody to tie your both elbows. पीछे लेकर के दोनों हाथों एल्बो को जोड़ने के बाद. And if it is hemicrania, tie only that elbow of that side which is aching. pain. When there is a pain in the chest or in any part of the body, try to change the existing course of nostril. Please go ahead. Indigestion, they should always take the food when the right nostril is dominant. Don't take the food if your left nostril is working. Then this habit will be removed. The complaint of the indigestion. If it is chronic dyspepsia, sit in Padmasana, concentrate upon the navel for 10 to 15 minutes. One should develop the habit of pressing the teeth against the teeth while evacuating. This makes the teeth strong. Asthma, change course of breath immediately. One can experience its effect within 15 minutes. Please go ahead. So every breath measures 12 fingers from the nose during the expiration. Requires 4 seconds to complete the inward and outward course. To shorten this length, increase the period of complete course, the way to attain long span of life. Now here one thing is to be kept in mind. According to Hatha Yoga, we all are breathing 21,600 times, and our life is based on the वो गिने हुए number of breath. So if you increase you can increase by remaining agitated, about the worldly affairs. If you indulge in the worldly affairs, so it will be, the number will be decreased and your longevity, number will be increased and your longevity will be decreased. So during singing, how much you are wasting? During singing, 16 fingers. During taking food, it is 20 fingers. During sleeping, it is 30 fingers. If you indulge in the sensory enjoyments, then it is 36 fingers. Go ahead. One succeeds in reducing the normal length of the exhalation from 12 to 11 is 10. You are strengthening the nerve system. If you reduce from 11 to 10, attains supreme happiness. 10 to 9 gives poetic ability. Then 8 to 7 one can fly up to the sky. From 7 to 6 one acquires tremendous speed. It bestows all accomplishments. One attains great treasure. Power of appearing in many forms. 3 to make oneself invisible. वो एक पिक्चर में छुप जाते हैं ना, मिस्टर इंडिया. So 1 to 2 to 1, one become immortal. This is what is mentioned. And thank you very much. No thank you is written here. Sorry for that.
Sir, but actually in the first slide you said that you will be talking about nadis, or that is not how.
Because only 10 nadis, there are 72,000 nadis. Okay? Out of this 72, as there are as many asanas as the spaces, 84 lakh spaces. Similarly, there are innumerable nadis. Out of this 72,000 nadis, the 10 nadis are very, very important. And then out of these 10 nadis, the Ida, Pingala and Sushumna, they are considered to be the most important, because you are dealing with these three. Yes, sir. Huh? Pardon? Yes. Kapal Bhati? Because you are preparing yourself, This is, don't compare this with this one. It is for the normal, but whenever you are practicing Kapal Bhati, there is a purpose for performing the Kapal Bhati. If you perform the Kapal Bhati, you are exhaling forcefully, no doubt about it, but you are exhaling through the nostril, not the mouth, number one. Number two, when your system is very well acquainted, thereafter you develop a capacity to stop the prana inside for a long period of time. So you can reduce the number thereafter. Whatever the number you have increased, you can reduce the number with the help of this. So it does not mean that you are inhaling or exhaling in forcefully so long 36 fingers or whatever it may be. This does not work. So it means that somewhere or other this is another practice we have to keep in mind. We have to be aware about the swara which is most dominant. That is what we have to, and we have to understand the whole physiology, not as per the modern physiology, but the physiology which element is dominating, what is happening in the body. That is what we have to understand. And slowly after doing this, you develop a capacity and you can stop the prana. So you are decreasing the number of 21,600 times. So ultimately you are increasing your longevity with the help of this. Even the Kapalabhati will help you to increase the longevity. That is what I feel. Okay? Yes. Just a minute.
Resume the comment I was trying to make.
Yes.
When you were discussing the Anahata Chakra,
Anahat Chakra.
reminded me of a book written by Swami Tejomayananda of Chinmaya Mission.
Yeah.
He wrote the book called Swara to Ishvara. And he discussed all the swaras, the Saptaswaras and so on.
Yeah.
So the Anahata Chakra expands
Yes.
beautifully, and all classical music enables one to do that. Second part of my comment was the Chakra Suddhi and Chakra Abhishekam. There's a workshop like that, which Swami Maheshananda conducts all over the world. He travels. He has climbed the Mount Everest, and he has gone to Kailas Manasarovar 7 times. He has climbed the Kilimanjaro also once. So he's full of energy, and so he gave a presentation. Those who want to invite him to have a workshop somewhere in your home or somewhere. If you want to do that, he is available. So I can give you the information where you can contact him.
So this you people can take the address, and sometime you may talk with Rana Sahab. Invite him for such type of program. It's good.
Remarkable human being,
Yes.
and he doesn't care for money. He just does it as a service, but you have to give him some dakshina.
Yeah. Oh, that is what. Thank you very much for your this information.
Go over the Arohana and Avarohana with the mantras, the Bija mantras. And there is a particular way of chanting it, and he explains that so well.
Good.
And
So sometime we can talk with the Rana ji. And
Next level we can.
yes, sometime. Anything else? Yes. Yes, now your turn.
We need the right breathing, for example, for eating, and our eating is left, and then we change artificially the taste, That is the.
If it is imperative, then only you change. Otherwise you have to follow. Or sometime, as it is said, the left is going on for 2 days. It does not mean that 2 days you should not eat anything. You have to eat. So if you try to change, it will be too good. If you are able to change it, it will be good. It is not artificially. It is not artificial. You are pressing a particular nerve here under the armpit, and because of that, this nostril dominance is changing.
Also,
And people in the olden days, they were using the dand, they were keeping something. You might have seen.
People are using.
Still people are using.
In Buddha, they are putting like this while meditation.
It's okay.
That is important. Also, I read in one text, in the moment of intercourse, it's better left nostril open because otherwise it's wasting too much energy. But according to this, is the purpose of girl
Or boy.
to change.
Yes. And whatever is here presented before you, let me say, it is a Satya, Satya and Satya. And Satya mevana sanshya.
One lecture I heard by some Swamiji on the TV.
Swamiji?
कोई स्वामी जी थे,
अच्छा।
वो टीवी पे लेक्चर दे रहे थे और उन्होंने बोला कि अगर आप बाएं नौकरी से सांस लेते रहो तो आपका बीपी नीचे हो जाएगा, दाहिनी नौकरी से सांस लेते रहो तो बीपी ऊपर हो जाएगा. He gave things of this nature. Is it possible for you to tell us something in details about these things also?
Actually speaking,
कि किस तरह से आपने health का problem
any one of you are having this background of anatomy, physiology? Any one of you? No? Actually speaking, it is experimented in Kaivalya Dham that when your right nostril works, your catabolic functions are going on in the body. Whenever your left nostril works, the anabolic functions are working. This is the fundamental difference. When catabolic functions are working, so energy is being consumed and it produces the heat, and therefore there is a BP, whatever you are talking about. I am just correlating. And whenever there is a anabolic functions, energy is not being consumed, it is being restored, stored up, and because energy is stored up, it produces the coolness, and therefore I think that could be the reason that Babaji, this is the reason, this could be this is the only reason.
अगर आपके पास में ऐसी कुछ literature हो, you could give us something on that.
Actually speaking, now people have worked on this aspect like anything.
बहुत काम किया.
बहुत काम हो गया है. Now on the basis of nostril dominance, you can understand the activity of your left brain as well as the right brain. That is what is also worked out by the scientists. Left brain is considered to be, when left is working, it means the left brain, right brain is working. When right brain is working, the left hemisphere is working. So right is considered to be the intuitional this, and the left is considered to be the sequential. Sequence is maintained. So this sequence of thought is going on continuously, incessantly, and therefore we remain agitated. So the purpose of sadhana is to reduce the dominance of the left, so that we can develop the right side of the brain, so that we can get the intuitions. So long we are dominated by the left brain, sequential brain, we do not develop that kind of a connection with the universal brain.
अभी सर what has been आपके पास से बता रहा हूँ that generally speaking, night times I'm not conscious, but in daytime, generally speaking, my right nostril dominates for almost for the day. Right nostril dominates. Night time I do not. But what I'm saying is कि अगर इसको हमने चेंज करना है, कभी कोई प्राणायाम के अंदर होता है.
नहीं, आपको सिंपल है, कुछ रास्ता नहीं मिलता ना, इससे भी नहीं होता ना, तो आपको एक सिंपल रास्ता बताऊं, करवट चेंज करो. इफ यू वांट टू ओपन द राइट साइड, sleep on the left side, left this, and if you want to open the right, sleep left, sleep on the right, automatically it will be opened. सिंपल फॉर्मूला। चलो अभी खाना खाएंगे।